Good morning. For England and Wales today, we're looking at rain at times, some hill snow, but even some of that getting down to lower levels at times as well, and the risk of ice. For Scotland and Northern Ireland, some wintry showers for you, drier and brighter in the west, but wherever you are, it's going to be blustery and cold. I'll have all the details later in the programme.
What the new week has in store for us. Morning, Carol.
Good morning, both. Good morning to you too. John is quite right. It's been a cold few days, in fact, a cold week. But as we go through this week, it is going to change. So we're starting off on that cold note, but it's going to become wetter and windier. And with that, we're going to see some milder conditions coming our way. But this morning, it's a wet start. There's a lot of rain across England and Wales. We've got some snow as well. A lot of that is on the hills, but some of it getting down to lower levels through the course of this morning. And we've also got some snow showers coming in across parts of northern and eastern Scotland and in the hills in Northern Ireland. What's happening is low pressure is driving our weather. It's pushing northwards, so it'll take some of that snow into the southern uplands a bit later. And it's also a blustery day with the strongest winds with exposure across parts of the southwest, West Wales and the Channel Islands. But if you're travelling first thing this morning, there's also the risk of ice across northern England and also parts of eastern Scotland. And as we go through the course of the day, what you find is the area of low pressure pushes further north. It will take its rain and its snow into the southern uplands, and we've got another system coming up from the southwest, taking its rain in across the Midlands. So the snow showers will persist across the north and east of Scotland, but out towards the west of both Scotland and Northern Ireland, we're looking at drier conditions and also some sunshine. Blustery though, feeling cold, there will be a wind chill. These are what your thermometer may say in terms of temperatures, but against your skin, it will feel quite raw. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, our low pressure pushes off towards the near continent. You can see the wind around it still coming from the northeast, so we'll still see some rain at times and also some snow showers across northern England, the southern uplands and also North Wales. Under clearer skies across Scotland and Northern Ireland, especially where we've got lying snow, it's going to be cold. Temperatures in the Highlands could fall away to -8. Not as cold as we come farther south, but it will still feel cold first thing in the morning tomorrow. So tomorrow we start off with all this clouds, some showers. The showers eventually becoming confined to eastern parts of England. We'll start frosty and icy across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland, but here we will see some sunshine coming through, and these are our temperatures, 3 in the north to about 10 as we push further south. The snow showers persisting across eastern Scotland. Then things start to change. The blues are usurped by the yellows coming in from the west, indicating milder air is coming our way as the weather comes in from the Atlantic. But it's also bringing unsettled conditions, as you can see, all this rain coming through, accompanied by gusty winds as well. So for Wednesday itself, we start off in a cold note. We could have temperatures as low as -10 over the snowfields in Scotland, so frost and ice. There'll be some sunshine, and then we start to see the change coming in from the west in the shape of wetter, windier, but milder weather, which will be with us towards the end of the week. John and Sarah.
Thank you, Carol. Yeah, so things getting wetter. Was it wetter, windier, but a bit milder? I'm not sure it's a good thing or not. Thank you.
I know, you give with one hand and you take away with the other.
Oh, but it's always lovely to see you, Carol. Thank you.
Oh, you
In
too,
summary,
thanks.
or